got more confetti in the past. Guys, I've just started editing the footage and I looked into it and I'm seeing that my lip is splitting in the video and it's starting to bleed throughout the entire video. So whenever like autumn and winter comes and gets colder, like my lips split, like I have the most sensitive lips. It's not the nicest video that I'm gonna put out there, but I can't, I can't refilm an unboxing. That would just be a fake unboxing, right? So, let's go with that footage. Sorry, guys. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is actually my birthday. Yeah, I'm getting old, but hey, I love my birthday, I can eat whatever I want. I'm gonna get so many cupcakes with Nutella frosting or rainbow cake. Are there any rainbow cake lovers out there? And bubble tea, unlimited bubble tea and coffee for me today. But before I get to that, I thought let's film a little video in terms of what I got for my birthday. Big shout out to... I already opened it because that would take minutes, but I haven't looked into it. Big shout out to FASHIONPHILE, guys, because I mean all of us know FASHIONPHILE. FASHIONPHILE is amazing. I've been buying from them for many years. However, they really upped their game recently, if you ask me. Of course, they've had their personal shopper services for a while and I always like to use that service. So for example, I was on FASHIONPHILE, I was scrolling through everything and I found this beautiful Lady Dior. And you guys know me, I love flowers. I love everything with floral prints. And I was like, okay, I'm not quite sure if the quality of the bag is as I would wish it was. So obviously FASHIONPHILE's pictures are amazing. You can see like every little popped stitch, you can see every thread that's pulled, from a fabric bag. They really do show you everything. You know exactly what you're getting when you're buying from them. However, sometimes maybe it's more difficult to see, and you can write them and they email you additional photos back. So I thought that's quite nice. But on top of all of that, guys, I decided not to go for the bag. I love it, but I think I wish it would have been in better shape. On top of all of that, they actually also offer virtual appointments now. So you can basically just, have an appointment for a Zoom call and look at different bags that you're interested in. See them, somebody's showing them to you in real life and can respond to your questions like immediately. So I thought, that's really a service. Because no matter where you are in the world, I mean, I'm in London, obviously. I have no access to just like dropping into FASHIONPHILE New York or Los Angeles. I absolutely love FASHIONPHILE, and guys, let me tell you. So why do I have my beautiful Raja tote sitting right here? Well, because this bag has ignited a fire that was long lost and forgotten. So I really, you guys know it, I loved everything Gucci when Alessandro Michele first took over the company, and I got my Gucci brooch bag, I got my velvet marmot, the floral velvet marmot in Ruben. Oh, it's such a beautiful bag. And then I went to the outlet because I haven't seen anything at Gucci that I like for a while, and then I went to the outlet and I found this. I was like, oh my god, yes, like the fire. I could remember how I felt about Gucci bags, I love the craziness. I love, I don't know, you guys know I have a little bit of a... You don't find these pieces nowadays anymore. They have beautiful bags. It's very like vintage inspired, and it's nice bags, but would I spend thousands of pounds on it? No. So I was like, okay, this reminded me, let me just go on the pre-loved market and see what they have in terms of bags. And I found a bag, guys, that I always wanted years ago. I don't even know when this one came out. 3-4 years ago, and I was like, wow, it's in excellent condition. And yeah, so when you order something from FASHIONPHILE, you get your little paperwork. Everything is included in here. Usually it says FASHIONPHILE on the box. It doesn't today. Okay, let's get the bag out. Et voila, the confetti is falling. So here we have the bag, and oh, my aunt is calling me right now. Dagmar, if you're watching this video, I cannot respond at the moment because I'm filming. I call you back in a second. So you always got like confetti when you buy something off FASHIONPHILE. Oh, it looks good. I mean, it's the same kind of like color as my outfit today. So you get the FASHIONPHILE nail file, which is like always a given when you order something. And I don't know, I got more confetti in the past. So So yeah, I would say let's look into this. Okay, it has weight to it. I'm full of confetti. So obviously, you know, Fashionphile's motto is used is the new. And let's open this. It has some nice weight to it. I had this bag, the same model in the past, once before, in a completely different material, and it was really light. And I sold it, I wasn't too happy. Ooh, there we can see it already. I wasn't too happy with the quality of that specific bag. Okay. Fashionphile, the wrong way around, but this is the right way for the bag. Okay, so let me open this. Oh, guys. I just turned 32 and I'm feeling it. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, my husband's always making jokes like, once you hit 30, you don't wake up anymore without pain. And it's true. Like, I always like have neck pain now, I have back pain, I've got a headache, I've got this and that and the other, and like, oh, 32, I'm getting old. Are we ready? I don't even... Hello? Oh my god! It is so difficult to find a bag like this. Okay, it is a little bit dusty. Somebody stored it probably on an open shelf and I definitely need to clean it. Okay. Hello, this is my birthday present. Isn't she beautiful? So it is really difficult to find these ones. I mean, they brought out so many Dionysus bags in the most gorgeous, you know, variations and colors and fabrics, velvet, patterns, everything. This one I always really loved. Like 90% of Dionysus bags are made with silver hardware. It's really rare to see gold hardware Dionysus bags. And you guys know I love gold, you know. The only bags I have with silver hardware are my Gabrielle bags because they have silver and gold mixed. And my Lombard Happy bags, they also have silver and gold mixed. Same as this one. As you can see, it has little gold metal studs and a silver chain and the silver clasp with the tiger heads. So give me a second, I need to look at it as well. It has Blind for Love at the back. I think that was a thing at some point. I mean, nobody sees the back of a bag, you know. If that was there or not doesn't really make a difference to me. So if you order something off Fashionphile, you know, you get this little certificate of authenticity. Once you cut this bit off, the bag is yours. Does it say that? Snip the tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once removed. So that's something you need to know. But is this bag not me? And this is what I miss about Gucci recently, because, you know, these bags were artworks in my opinion. So I need to clean this. Like I said, it's a lot of dust on this bag. It has a couple of scratches, but like I said, everything I saw, so I'm not surprised. For example, I knew it was having a little scratch here. I guess somebody was trying to open the flap and scratched it with their nails. It has tiny little marks. I mean, this is box calf leather again, smooth black box calf leather, guys. And obviously, if you have nails, you know, it's gonna scratch. You need to be really careful with your bag. But like I said, it's so rare that these ones pop up. So when I was like, oh my god, they have one of those, I was like, yeah, I need it. Okay, should we look into this? So how you open a Dionysus. It has this little button here on the side. Can you see? You push it closed and you push this little button here, basically in, and then you can open it. Et voila. So, how do you look like from the inside? No smell, that's good. The inner flap, I knew that as well, had some scratches, but it's covered when the bag is closed, right? And I mean, I want to use my bags, you know, so it's gonna get a couple more scratches. Yeah, the inner flap here has a couple scratches. Here you have a couple scratches. I think this is a mark from this little button, actually, so you wouldn't be able to avoid it anyway, even if this bag was new. You don't find these bags new anymore. So here you have a little slip pocket. I've never put anything in there in the past. I had a green velvet monogram Gucci Dionysus in the same size. Like, that thing was so light. It literally felt like it was made with cardboard on the inside. I really wasn't impressed by the quality. This one is heavy. There's some good weight to it. It feels luxurious, but it's a leather bag, obviously. It's totally different. Yeah, so you have this tiny little flap thing, which I never use. You got two compartments similar to the Bulgari Serpenti Forever, and you got a middle zipper compartment as well. There you have your Gucci tag. Ooh. Underneath it always has the serial number. But look at the embroidery. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, these are my colors, right? This is my birthday present and I'm very happy about it. And I'm gonna get ready after filming this video. It's really cold today, guys. It's the first really cold autumn day. I mean, I love autumn. But yeah, I think it's time to snuggle up with our winter coat soon. And then imagine, black furry winter coat or something like that with this bag. Oh, it's gonna look great. Let me give you some modeling shots and then I think that's it for today. Okay guys, so let me tell you, yes, you can wear this bag as a double strap. I won't do it. It does sit quite high, I have to say, on your shoulder if you wear it like as a double strap. However, I just love wearing the Gucci Dionysus. Let me get this tag out of the way. Just like that. As a longer shoulder strap version. I would say it sits a little bit higher than a medium large Chanel classic flat bag. Could you wear a crossbody? I guess you could, to be honest. Let me try. Oh, no. That sits quite high. Okay, let's not do that. But yeah, so obviously you can wear it as a clutch and yeah. It is absolutely gorgeous. I got 4 Gucci bags now and I really hope that they will come out with beautiful new crazy and creative designs. That's what I would like to see from Gucci. Yeah guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm very happy. Go and check out FASHIONPHILE. I mean, you know, everybody knows FASHIONPHILE, everybody loves FASHIONPHILE, but I really like that they offer these kind of new services now as well. And yo, that's it guys! If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease, yes we do. And I will get ready now and get all the cake I want in the world and coffee. And I see you again very soon. Bye!